Welcome to Whiteboard Project Management. In this channel, I explain the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. I am Roman and I am a senior project manager with more than 20 years of experience in multinational projects of EPC and PMC. Let's go to the whiteboard and let's start the session.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Each and every project manager need to be successful. In this episode, I will explain the main points for how to be a successful project manager. The key factors for you to focus on to be a successful project manager. Let's go to the whiteboard and let's start the session. How to become a successful project manager. This is our session for today. The main point for this session is to make you focus on the important parts to be a successful project manager. First point is to study. Study what? You could be a project manager from your higher education, or you are now a project manager. You finished your engineering degree and you are now nominated in your organization to be a project manager. So what does this mean that you need to study? The study means that you need to study the project management standards and you need to be certified. Completing an educational degree is not always enough. It's only a key for you to be ready for your professional life. But here for the study, you need to know the project management standard, the international standards, and you need to be a certified project manager. Being a certified project manager, there are a lot of certifications like the CAPM, Certificate Associated in Project Management, like the PMP, Project Management Professional. Then you have the Prince2, you have the IPMA, and others. What is famous and what is really recommended is the PMP degree. This is important because this is a certified project management professional from PMI, and PMI is the Project Management Institute. If you don't know about PMI, go to www.pmi.org and you can register there and ask for the training and the PMP exam. The other part is the project management standards, the standards which are for all project managers, and this is also specified in the PMI, and you can combine this all by studying the PMBOK guide from PMI. You could ask now, what is the PMBOK? The PMBOK is the project management body of knowledge. This is a book where you have the standards and you have the main information for a project manager. So go and read the PMBOK. If you are a junior project manager now, you need to study. It's not that it's enough, you cannot study. No, go take the PMBOK study the project management standards. The PIM book, the 7th edition, includes the PIM project management standards, and also prepare yourself to be a certified project manager. Okay. Second, you need to have your training. You need to be trained. Okay. This training could be by your company training, or by self-development. Self-development is easy, like you are watching YouTube. On YouTube, you have a lot of free education material, like this channel. So educate yourself, train yourself, either by company training. Don't wait only for company training, but make your own training by self-development, either by watching YouTube channels on a specified or a specific subject, or you can go and subscribe online for some trainings and increase your knowledge. Okay. Third one is the practice. Means now you study the project management standards, you are certified, you have some trainings, but you need to apply what you have learned, and you need to apply it in your practice. Means I apply the standards, I apply the company training and the self-development training, whether it's a YouTube or online training, I apply it all on my practice. In my practice. Once I applied it in my practice, then you make the OJT. We call it OJT because it's a shortcut of on-job training. The on-job training means you check your lessons learned from other projects. You ask your colleagues from other projects. You share your knowledge. You share your knowledge with your project team, and you make your database. What does this mean? Does this mean that when you are making your project and you are progressing, you are creating some tables, and these tables you are making it like a database, then you can register it for like a new project. So whenever the new project occurs, you can open that folder and you have a lot of information and tasks for you. What you are mentioning: when I have a new project, I have to do this. I can use this form. I can use that Excel file which I prepared from other projects, and I can apply my lessons learned, what went well and what went bad, for applying on my project. So you are using your templates in the project. And don't forget, share your knowledge and get the knowledge from other people. So those are the main factors for becoming a successful project manager. You are now a junior project manager. You need to study. How? Study the PIM project management standards to know what is going on. Work on your certification. Don't forget this. Be a certified project manager. Select which certification is good for you. Whether you are in IT projects, you can select the Prince2. If you need to go step by step, you can go for the CAPM, which gives you the good knowledge. And if you want to go directly to the professional way, which is really very, very good, the PMP certification from PMI. So you work on the standards, on the certification to become a certified project manager. Meanwhile, you work on your own training by your self-development on YouTube, like this channel, or on other. There are many other channels. You work on online training, or you get your training also from your company. Then you apply what you have learned all in your practice, and when you apply it, you can see that you are physically on job training, because you are on job, you have a project, but meanwhile you are training yourself and you are applying what you have learned in your practice, and you start registering your lessons learned, you start sharing the knowledge with your people and get the knowledge from them as well, and you make your own database, the templates. Once you start working with this and you will be familiar, those are the main factors for you to become a successful project manager. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe. There will be a lot of new episodes in this session.